Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are leaving the stunning Dolores Canyon, Colorado, and heading to the sensational Moab. We're especially excited because we've been invited to a Vanlife meetup by our good friend BirdDen, who adopted Ed's sister Luna. So it's going to be a family reunion for us. We've got a few hours of driving ahead, so let's hit the road and get this adventure started. Was just another awesome campsite Kristen found for us.
I know how to pick them.
Telling you, Colorado, we don't have time to visit you this trip, but we will be back. There is no doubt about it. For today, we're gonna head back into Utah to the Moab area and go see Ed's sister.
Luna.
Little reunion at a little Vanlife meetup. Should be fun.
Yes.
Stay tuned. I don't think we'll ever get tired of driving through southern Utah. The way the red and brown layers of the landscape shift and blend is absolutely breathtaking. Every mile feels like a new masterpiece, and it's hard to believe views like this exist. And once again, we come around a corner and the landscape completely transforms. What was once vibrant and colorful fades into a barren wasteland as we head out into the desert, searching for the other Vanlifers. Making our way down to the Vanlife party. Oh, I see some rigs down there.
Nice.
So we just saw what we thought was like an antelope. So we're not in Africa.
No, but there must be antelope.
And it was a little
the
baby.
Deer and the antelope play.
Yeah, I guess so, eh?
Yeah.
Interesting. The Vanlife meetup. Could be a big party this weekend.
Yeah.
About 30 rigs are apparently coming, and we're just pulling up to Ed's sister here.
Dusty one. Overland.
He was the runt.
He's you.
Ed, you were the runt. That's why we picked you. Don't hump your sister. As you can imagine, the pups recognized each other immediately. From morning to night, it was non-stop play between them. It was pure joy watching them interact. And as you can see, these two absolutely love each other. If you are not interested in watching puppies play, you might want to skip ahead because there are a few more minutes of these two living their best lives together. But trust us, it's worth sticking around for the cuteness overload. Good boy, you came back. That a boy. I thought he was going to abandon me, but he didn't. Oh. Never say never. We didn't film any of the Vanlife weekend, as many people value their privacy, and we completely respect that. However, I can tell you we met some remarkable people and even ran into some familiar faces from our travels in Mexico. It never ceased to amaze us how often, living this lifestyle, we cross paths with other travelers we've met before. These kind of meetups are fun. Not only do you get to meet a diverse and fascinating group of people, but you also get tons of inspiration from their builds. There were some truly unique and cool rigs here that really sparked our creativity. The next morning, we woke up to a massive windstorm and decided to hit the road in search of better weather. Be sure to join us next week to see how it all turns out. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing and giving it a like.